So basically, we will lab number 9. We will how to import data from the MySQL database to the SQL server using the SSIS. Okay, so basically we have the this SQL workbench. In this SQL workbench, we have the order table. If you check the order table, so in this order table there are different data that we need to import from this database to the MS SQL server. So this is the data that we want to import using the SSIS package. So this is my table. So in this table I need the data from this table. Okay, so for that I will first of all I will create a package. Okay, so SQL server integration package, click on next. I will give the name like import my SQL to SQL to MS SQL data. So this is my the project name. Then click on create. So it will create a new package. So I will close this. Go to the solution and the same name I will use for the my package as well. Okay. So I will click on package. I will use the name. Click on OK. So I need first of all the my source is the this SQL Server workbench. Okay, so MySQL is the my source. So first of all, I will take the data flow task. Okay, so once the data flow task will drag and drop. So this is the import data from MySQL to MS SQL Server. So I will give the name. Then I will double click on it. Then now the inner data flow task, as you know, so our source is the this SQL Server workbench. So I need to take the ODBC connection for the connecting to the MySQL workbench database. Okay, so for that I will take the ODBC source. Okay, so there is a ODBC source. So I will drag and drop this ODBC source. Okay, so once the ODBC source will drag and drop, then you need to right click on it, go to the edit. So here you need to create a new connection. So I have already created the one connection MySQL dot root. So basically I will use the same thing. So in a previous lecture, in a previous session, I will already show you how you can connect with the using the ODBC connection driver to the MySQL database. So I will directly use this connection. Now I will select the table. So the my table is the order table. So I will directly select the order table because of the my data in the student table. Student is a database. In the student database there is a order table. So I need to import the data from this order table. Okay, so all the data I need to import from this table to the MySQL MS SQL Server database. So I have selected that things. Then I will go to the column. So column is fine. Then go to the error output. Then I will click on OK. So once my connection is established, then the destination is the SQL server, MS SQL server. So for that, I will select the destination component. In the destination component, I will select OLEDB destination. So I will directly select this one, and here I will connect these two component, and I will right click on it and go to the edit. So once I will come to the edit, go to the new. So already I have created the connection manager for the SSIS package. So I will directly select this one, click on OK. So now now here basically we will the next part is where we need to load the data. So basically table or view or any kind of the if you have the any kind of query, then you can also select that one as well. Okay, so but as of now, if you check the I have the order table. In this order table I need to import the data. Okay, so I will directly select that table because of I have not created new table, or I will not create anything. I directly selecting the data from those table and importing the data into this table. So the mapping, if you check the mapping, this is the input means MySQL database input, and this is destination means our SQL server the destination. So in that I will just check the mapping, and then I will click on OK. So here is the setting the ID. Okay, so basically ID is the basically if you check the ID is the identity column. So we need to remove this ID column. Okay, so ignore, and here the destination we will keep as it is. Okay, click on OK. So now the my package is ready. So as of now, if you check in my order table, so this is my SSIS package, and if I select the data, so as of now there is a 88 column, 88 row already exist in this table. So now the this package will append the whatever the new the column in this we are retrieving, so that will be append in this table. So for that I will directly run the package and I will show you the result. So the now package is ready. So I will just go to the click on the start button. So now my package will started for the execution. So it will be go one by one. If we check, so 20 row will affected. So now I will stop my package and I will execute the data. So now you can check. So now previously 80 row, so now additionally 20 row will inserted. Okay, so if you check, the data will inserted in this table. Okay, so this is the our lab number 9. So in this lab number 9 we will retrieve the data from MySQL to the MS SQL Server Database. So this is the thing that we will done in this lab number 9. Okay,